Hey guys, it's Dr. Heath Lampee here again today with BeyondDentistry. Today I want to talk to you about the $25,000 morning concept that I've developed, also called the 25K AM. Imagine that you work 3 days a week, which is what I do. What if every morning you saw one patient and did $25,000 of work on that one patient? In the afternoon, you could do a couple of small things or just take it off. Is this some sort of fictional world? Well, let's imagine the other scenario, which is what most of us live in our daily work lives. On a typical full day, you see maybe 20 patients, do $10,000 of work, if it's a good day. Let's say you do that just 3 days a week, although we know most dentists work more than that. In the first scenario, you would see 12 patients a month, and each month you would do $300,000 of dentistry. In the second scenario, you would see 240 patients in a month and do $120,000 in dentistry. The difference between the two scenarios is $180,000 of production each month, and most of that would be profit. Yearly, that is a $2.16 million difference. Which scenario do you want to live out for the rest of your career? Hence the 25K AM concept developed by me. It's mind-blowing, and as a young or even older dentist, it is hard to fathom. We get stuck working for insurance and doing what we were taught in school and doing exactly what our other colleagues are doing. My whole purpose is to teach this concept and to get you to look at your work differently and value your time and amazing skills that you have developed. By doing more productive work and seeing fewer patients, you can work less, earn significantly more, and make a huge impact in your patients' lives. These cases you will learn to do change patients' smiles, lives, and their health. But of course, you must first learn how to do these complex cases, like full mouth crowns and veneers and full mouth implant rehabilitation, which is what I teach at BeyondDentistry. Also, dentistry is a demanding career. It taxes us in so many ways. We have an immensely hard job. Running a business, managing team members, it also takes a huge toll on our bodies. By doing more with less and working fewer days, your stress goes down. You can pay off all your debts and spend more time doing the things you love outside of work, like being with your family. A lot of dentists are working 5 or 6 days a week. I'll show you how to work 3 days. Now that's like almost having an extra 2 months off a year. What would you rather do? The $25,000 morning is your secret to success in today's hyper-competitive dental world. Thanks again for watching. I'm Dr. Heath Lampee.